one of the deadest malls. And I say this is a dead mall because there really aren't that many sneaker shops here. Dude got a shoe palace. But this is a pretty dope place to get releases because they don't move that much stuff here. Like they still got the taxis, they still got the Bugs Bunny 8s, still got these pink 5s, ones, the Chicago ones. Got these mids. I don't think I've seen these mids anywhere. It's like iridescent, changes colors depending on the angle. Mids go for 140. The SEs are 140 now. Holy crap. And I think this is the first place I've seen this on sale. Shoe Palace, first chain I've seen these 3s on sale, 170. Pretty decent price, so $30 off, 15% off. Not bad, not bad. They got a bunch of these non-signatures on sale, including these shattered backboard Spiz Ice 130, 90 for the RMs. It's the Biohack lows right there. And then even the Hydro 11. Dude got them for $50. These are no like 70 now, dude. Got these over here, the wheat ones on sale. The material on these are so nice. I keep saying it. Not the, like, I don't have that many wheat shoes because I don't have that much stuff to match with them, but I don't know, they look dope. $100 for those. If you're into Vans, a bunch of the Vans on sale. These are the, I was gonna say old school, but they're the new schools because they're a little different, I guess. $60. The black ones for $50. Canvas slip-ons, $50. I don't know what these are. What are these? What are these? The Uplands? The Uplands? I don't know. Pretty clean. $70, a little high, but that's the sale price too. I guess I'm just used to getting Vans at crazy discounts at Ross and Burlington and stuff. But I do got Rincons right here, the Hokas. Some running shoes go for $90, $110 for these Clifton 9s right here. Plenty of New Balance on sale, $100, $80. 574s right here go for $60, $50 for the 550s. These died in popularity so quick, it's like crazy. Everybody wanted them, and then now nobody wants them. The 90s, 60s, I see a lot of people, a lot of casuals who really like these. Talk about how comfortable they are. $130 for these. Moving over to the women's section right here, where they got Dunks going for $80 or $70. Cortez down to $50. These are some pretty interesting gazelles right here. I like the knit material. Way different. They've been making gazelles with like different materials, pretty dope. These are going for $70. Adidas right here, some OG Sambas, $90. Man, they're like, looks like animal hair. Pretty sure it's synthetic, but it looks pretty nice. $90. Hokas right here going for $100. Got Sambas. These are going for $50. 270s right here, $100. Jordan 1 lows, $80. Air Max 95 big bubbles, $130 for those. I guess this is all the Nike and Jordan for men's. Just saw these yesterday. They got them on sale here. The Manoa Domes, $140, so a little bit of a sale. Gray Vomero 5s, pretty freaking clean. A few dollars off, $120. Got LeBrons, they've been on sale everywhere. $120 still, I think a little high in my opinion. Because we've seen LeBrons on sale everywhere. $120 for the Air Max 270s. Forces go for $80. $150 Vapor Max. Got this camo Air Force right here, go for $90. Oh, this is the first place I've seen these on sale. This is kind of like Nike Victory size, kind of like the cheaper ones. They are pretty comfortable. But it does have that Mamba logo on it, so they priced it a little bit high. These are like normally $50 or something like that normally. But yeah, down to $30. That's the first time I've seen these on sale. Pretty freaking dope. Air Max 95 big bubbles, $100, decent price. I don't think the younger kiddos are into Air Maxes like that. Got the Kobe 9, kind of like a Lakers colorway right here. $220 for those. We're starting to see more Vomeros everywhere, which I freaking love. That's the Vomero Plus. And I got the Kobe Air Forces right here, $120 for those. I still like this trio. I think this trio's pretty freaking dope. $125. I love the fat laces. That's what everybody's been doing. They customize their forces lately. But yeah, I think that's it. This is the Shoe Palace. This is pretty much the only sneaker shop here. That's why I call this the dead mall for sneakerheads. Then the only other spot that got sneakers, this Burlington. They actually might have like a Zoomies or something. I ain't messing with no Zoomies. All right, let's look around here. And we are starting to see other teams now. Look at the size 8. Bills Pegasus right here, 60 bucks. Got Dunks, going for 50, $9.99. Some fake Dunks. Vomeros, we've been seeing a million of these, 60. They ain't even touched that pair, what the hell? 140? 140, really? For on running, what the hell? Another Bills ones right here. Some Campus, going for 37. Niners ones right here. I have some older Pegasus that are black and red, but not an official Niners one. $60. Why are they taxing, dude? I remember when Pegasus used to be like 30, 40 bucks here. What the hell? Size 9 though. Titans as well. Enunciated all extra on that one. I don't know what the hell. But yeah, we've been to a few Burlingtons and a lot of empty shelves. But I said this place is pretty freaking dead. I would consider the South Bay Gallery the deadest mall right now. Puente Hills actually, but that one's being closed. And then South Bay Gallery, that one just got approved to be closed. They're gonna change it into, I think, a bunch of luxury apartments and stuff. So yeah, this one's just alive and well, but still pretty dead, especially for sneakers. But they do have that round one, and my kiddo loves round one, so I'll probably keep coming by and see if they have anything good. This Burlington once in a while has something. But yeah, apparently a ton of these Bills, Pegasus, these full forces for $50, not bad. Saw more Pegasus, saw more of those Vomero Roams or the Lunar Roams. But yeah, that's about it. Not really much. Damn, dude, it's hella dry. And then right there, that's making me want to have a seizure or something. Like, what the hell? Like, yeah, not really much. Even in the huge size, usually they got stuff, but nah, 68, and then not much. There again? What the hell? Moving over to the women's sneaker section over here. Not much in apparel. Why is the women's sneaker section so much bigger? They even got men's shoes over here. Air Max DNs, 80. Got some men's Ewings here. These have been, what, 25 or something? Structures, I think these are, Vomero 17s, 50 bucks. Even got men's LeBrons, just because they're pink, 60 bucks. Air Max Unos right here go for 70. These Chuck 70s? Let's say, I think these are Chuck 70s. They're heavy as hell, 28 bucks. It's marked down, super heavy. They got a ton of stuff, but a lot of stuff like this, not too much in terms of quality. Infinity Run 4s, $50. See, that's a solid price, 50 bucks for those. I swear at Ross, they've been charging, when I say they've been charging like 80 bucks, 70, 80 bucks for those. Kind of rip off. Vomero, oh no, I keep calling these Vomero Roams. Lunar Roams right here, 60 bucks. I swear that's the third alarm I just set off. What the hell? Got another men's pair right here. But yeah, they got a ton of stuff. Look at how huge the women's section is, but sneakers wise, not much. It goes all the way back there. If I owned this amusement park fun center, it's like a little arcade, I'd be so pissed because after they made this, they made the round one downstairs. This one is empty as hell. Everybody's downstairs at round one where it's like super lively and stuff. Damn, dude. That sucks. Then if you walk out of the Burbank Town Center, there's a dude doing karaoke right there. That's funny. And then there is a Ross right next door. 2-story Ross. This spot actually has a good amount of beanies. Got bangles. And these are all new era beanies right here. What they been going for? I don't remember. For whatever reason, I've seen a bunch of them. They would go for 20? Oh, 15. 15, normally they're like 30. I got a couple more on this side, but I think that's the only NFL one. Chiefs out the playoffs. That's crazy. That is crazy. Haven't seen that in forever. Baltimore fighting for their lives. Bengals out the... Man, this season was crazy, dude. Hopefully by the time you guys watch this, the Niners already won. I know Niners aren't favored, and it's going to be a tough game. I know. Technically, they should win, but we'll see. The men's sneaker section. Look at this. They jacking it up to 85 bucks now. The Jordan 38s. I'm trying to remember the number. 38s. These are Such good shoes, but that's way high. Keep saying, I remember when I used to buy those. I think I bought mine for 50 bucks. I bought one for 50 bucks, 70 for these Pegasus Waves. Got Jordan 6 Golf right here. These are size 9, 85. What the hell? Fools are taxing. But yeah, Phantom 3 SE's 55. Some Lucas right here who has not been balling. It's a long season though. Hopefully he gets it back at the end of the season. 90. Lakers struggling like crazy. I hope it's not the same as last year, dude. It'd be so sad. And the lights are crazy. I'm gonna have a seizure again. $85. I've seen so many flavors of these Air Max DN8s. These are going for 80. Gamma Forces, it's like a really small size, $60. Got some Jordan 7 looking Mother Lovers right here. $80? You're crazy. GT Hustles. These are the 3s too. These are hella legit. This is what Wemby wears, right? Isn't this what Wemby wears? Had a signature colorway of this one, like the alien one right there, but no price tag. I don't see a marking on the bottom as well. Try to go see if we can get that for 30 bucks. Try to play stupid, see what they say. But yeah, 80 for these. Airspan doses right here. $80 for Airspan 2s. That's almost retail. That just shows they are taxing like crazy. $70 for these bad boys right here. LeBron Next Gen. One of the Next Gens. I don't know which one. They have 3 different versions of the Next Gen, so I never know. Ooh, look at this. These are the .77 version of the Lucas right here. The budget model, $60. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad. These retail for like 90 or 100, one of those. Got some Cortez. Go for 70. That's way too much. Yeah, this one go for 55. Bigger size section right here. It looks like there was like earthquake or something. What the hell? What the hell? Superstars go for 45. That's not bad. That's not bad. Seems like just Nike. They've been jacking up prices. 35. That's been marked down. Pegasus Wave 70. Ain't nobody paying 70 for that. Got some Max Auras. Even these, yeah, 80 bucks. Got some all orange Vomeros. Vomero 5s right here. Go for 80. Yeah, definitely not digging the pricing, and not too many really hot items either. Another one of these. And then Luca 4s down here. Yeah, but these are huge. Size 16, 17, 18, 75. They do got some random stuff. Look, Texas Longhorn pillow right here. Don't you put a pillow cover on so you wouldn't even see it anyways, no? $9 and like, yeah, this isn't the case. This is the actual pillow. Like, they have a kettlebell. Someone almost tripped over this kettlebell right here. So stupid to leave it out. And they got goalkeeping gloves. This is a Reebok. Do they even make soccer cleats? I don't know. 13 bucks. Workout gloves for all of you guys that have New Year's resolutions. And then do got vapor jet gloves, football gloves. If you have kids, I play football next year. $20 as opposed to 65. So grab them here. This is a large. Yeah, make sure you grab those here. Moving over to the women's section. I'm pretty sure these are not. Oh, I thought these were freaking books. D-books. Nah, these are some random freaking Nikes. 28 bucks. $28.99. City shoes. The Nike City shoes. 60. No refurb Vomeros. I'm gonna be honest, that's what I'm looking for in the women's bigger size section. They got Pegasus Wave 70. They got insoles. What are these insoles from? These are from Zion's, right? The Zion 3s. Those have the drop-in inserts just like the Kobe's. Kobe 8s and 9s, right? Got RMs right here. 80 bucks. The Adidas Messi's right here going for 30. That's a men's 10.5. Another one of these. Got one of these Air Max 270s. Going for 55. It's a gray skull? Yeah, it's a gray skull 7. Oh, this is Zion. This is Zion right here. Look, yep. Missing insoles, missing inserts. Oh, here's one. Here's one right here. And then I'm gonna throw this one. This is a men's too, by the way. Here, I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna put it in, so I'm not doing all that, but I'll just leave them right there. Trying to help them out a little bit, but I don't work here like that, right? All right, checking out the rest of the women's section. I'm not really seeing much. They got a lot of stuff, but just like that Burlington, looks like we're gonna have to continue searching. I don't think this video is long enough anyway, so I might go to 1 or 2 more spots. Got some dunks right here. And this was a return, so we don't even know the actual price. Oh, 60 bucks. Okay, there you go, $60. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna go grab my kiddo. Well, I'm not gonna grab him, but y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. 115 for these, size 9. This is a women's 9, so 7.5 men's. All right, let me go back to that mall. Right before we get there, show you my rain shoes for the day. Jordan 11. I think these are the 72-10 lows. I think that's a clearance store for like $100. And I'm wearing shorts, t-shirt. Do have a hoodie with me too because it's cold and it's raining. It's raining a ton outside. And this is why I came to the mall, or this mall. Yeah, this is why I came to this mall. This is round 1. Apparently the Asians love the claw games. They got 1 million of those. And then my kid's addicted to these music games. What the hell? We got a Switch, we got an Xbox, we have a PC, like a really good PC, a gaming PC, and he wants to do this, man. What the hell? What the hell? All right, I shot that other portion before I left. And then look, this fool's still playing these music games. Like, that's what he's into right now. I have all kinds of music games here. Like, it's kind of, I guess, this is like a Japanese place. I think it originated in Japan, and I guess that's what they're into over there. They have like the traditional games as well, like this. And then they have the Minecraft dungeons. They got Halo. They got all these regular ones. But yeah, they got all these music ones, and I think that's what a lot of them are into. By a lot of them, meaning a lot of the Asians. Look, even the Dance Dance Revolution, they have fans right in front of them because people sweat. They play so much and they sweat. That's just wild. I've never seen that. That's hilarious, dude. Oh shoot, he's doing the final level or something? He's doing like all of them, look. I've never seen that before. Oh no, I've seen it one time. Look at this fool, dang, dude. Dang. That's crazy. He's like an older dude too, like an older, like white or Latino fool, I don't know. That's crazy. Literally on the final level, dude. That looks like the Korean one. They got like K-pop playing and stuff right there. I think that's K-pop. It looks like it. This is more the stuff that I'm into. Yeah, this looks way more fun. My kiddo's addicted to the games. I'm addicted to the ice cream. $1 per cone. This might be my fourth one. That fool's still on the same game. God dang it.